to get up? Good morning. It is a little after 5 a.m. It's competition day. I already have dry shampoo in my hair, so please excuse my white hair. It's too early. We got up, we did skincare, we made coffee, fed Maisie and took her out. Now we have to get ready. Today's competition is the CIF San Diego competition. So this is like the local, I guess I would say local, competition for all the high schools in our area. I think there's something like 50 schools today. All of these, that's everyone performing today. And we are like right here. Luckily they do 3 sets of awards, so like it doesn't have to be that long of a day. But like I want to stay and watch my friends' teams, so it does end up being a long day. Let's get ready. I'm like breaking out from stress. This does not happen to me a lot. Ugh. This has just been a very stressful week in general, not just because of competition. On Sunday, my car battery died. Got a new battery, but I kind of knew that it wasn't the battery. And my car lasted a couple more days. And then it died again on my way home from work on Tuesday. I did look up how long it would take to get to work on the bus, and it would be a 30-minute walk to the bus stop, a 2.5-hour bus ride, and then a 30-minute walk from the bus stop to my office. Luckily, my parents came and let me drive one of their cars, and now my car is fixed. I'm so excited and grateful to my parents for helping me figure everything out. This is dry. I need to wash my makeup brushes so bad. This is kind of gross actually. So I was already like on the verge of a crash out just from cheer, but then that happened. So the reason I'm stressed about cheer is because we only got to have one practice this week on Monday, and it is Saturday, competition day. So I haven't seen my kids all week. Having that many days off from practice is usually just like not gonna set us up for competition really well. But like it's December, there's so many things going on, and a lot of my kids cross over to the dance team who had their show this week. So that is it's like an actual class at school, so it's technically like considered like an academic commitment or whatever. I can't say like you have to skip it or anything like that, like it's for their grade. So I have so many athletes who are just like newer to the sport. We just needed more time, and we didn't have that opportunity to have more time, so we're gonna just do our best. We are also in the biggest division of the day. I mean, no matter what happens on that mat today, I'm so proud of them. Like, I'm so proud of them. They really have worked so hard. Just like remembering what this team looked like at tryout and then like what they look like now, it's such a huge difference. And like that alone, like that's such a win. Whatever the score says at competition, like that's our win. PB Stars also has our first competition today. I'm really gonna miss my PB kids today, but they're all the way in Anaheim, and my car is not reliable anymore. So I'm starting to feel more like zen. The thing about competition day is that like you've done everything you can do, you know? There's no more practice. There's no more changes, hopefully. This is it. The prep work is done. Do I feel prepared this time? No. But like, I can't change that. So stressing about it is just like not gonna help anyone. What I want to focus on today is being positive, keeping my kids really calm. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, and all of my stuff is like not in my car. I have to put everything back in my car because it's been at the shop all week. But yeah, there are a lot of good teams in our division. There are a lot of teams in our division. I just want to like keep my kids focused, feeling confident, because that's like where we lose out a lot, is that so many of them are less experienced, and so they don't look confident in what they're doing, even though they have every right to look confident, you know? So like that's the goal for me today. My goals for them today is nobody gets hurt, nobody cries, and we hit a 0 penalty routine. And I think those things are doable. I'm not sure about the tears situation because we've had a lot of tears the last few practices, mine included. I do wait to get home. We have a break for a couple weeks. We're just gonna have one practice next week to do like holiday party, and then they're off for Christmas break, and we'll come back in January. Luckily, Champs Nationals are not until the end of February, so it's a little bit more time than usual. It's usually the end of January, and then we'll have a lot of work to do then also. I feel like it's my fault we started a little bit late this year. I didn't realize that I was going to have so few returners and so many new athletes. I love this one, but it's almost out. I'm so sad. And it smells like mangoes. Yes? Good morning.
What time do you have to leave?
I just need to leave like a little bit before 7. I think I blocked myself in last night with your car. Okay, my room is so messy. I don't want to show you, but my jewelry on the side. I'm wearing this like dress thing, and I'm gonna wear this over. Okay, it's time. Let's go.
Let's go in the video. Don't redo.
Do a cuter face. What did we name your hair?
Get the hair in it. It ties on with H. H is silent, actually.
This fog and my hair are like not friends. Nar. Is this like okay?
For the hair Both from Ariel. Top, is anyone else from varsity? Top from varsity, skirt from varsity, shoes from varsity, and socks from Costco.
Who's next?
Okay, both from Ariel, top from varsity, skirt from varsity, shoes from really crusty varsity, and Nike socks. Squash from the bottom to make the no-show. So. RBHS! Let's go! Broncos!
Sharper.
RBHS! Hey! Saddle up, let's fight! Yeah, blue! You say blue! White! Yell it! White! Hi! That's what it is.
Hi. She's like, camera, I'm on.
Please help me welcome to the floor in the D3 small division.